Imagine waking up in your bed deciding you want to have breakfast on the beaches of Hawaii, and in an instant, you're there.
No planes, no cars, no waiting in traffic, just a simple step into a machine, and poof, you've arrived at your destination. What if teleportation wasn't just the stuff of science fiction, but an everyday reality that replaced all forms of travel?
How would it change our lives, our world, and the way we see distance?
This is What If Explanations, and today we're exploring a future where teleportation replaces all travel.
Teleportation, the ability to instantly transport yourself from one place to another, has fascinated humans for centuries. From Star Trek to The Fly, it's been a staple of science fiction.
But what if it became real? Instead of spending hours on planes or stuck in traffic, you could teleport to any location in the blink of an eye. Whether it's across town or across the world, distance would become meaningless.
Theoretically, teleportation would work by breaking down your body into tiny particles, sending them to your destination, and then reassembling them perfectly.
It sounds wild, but scientists are already making small strides in teleportation experiments with particles. Of course, moving a whole human being is a lot more complicated than moving a single photon, but it's an idea that's starting to gain serious attention in the scientific community.
Now picture a world where teleportation has completely replaced all traditional forms of travel. Planes, gone. Trains, a thing of the past.
Cars, buses, bicycles, all obsolete. Instead of spending hours or even days traveling, you could go from New York to Tokyo in a split second.
A quick hop, and you're there. Think about how this would change your daily life.
Commuting to work? Forget it. You'd no longer need to live near your job.
You could work in any city, or even on a different continent, and still be home in time for dinner. Need to run errands? You wouldn't drive to the grocery store, you'd teleport to the front door.
Weekend getaways could literally be anywhere in the world, at any time. The concept of distance would disappear. The possibilities are endless.
One of the first things to consider with teleportation replacing all travel is the environmental impact. Traditional travel, especially air travel, is a huge contributor to carbon emissions and pollution.
Planes burn massive amounts of fuel, and cars contribute to congestion and smog in cities.
Teleportation, on the other hand, could be an incredibly clean form of travel. If the energy required for teleportation came from renewable sources, we'd effectively eliminate the environmental damage caused by our current modes of transport.
Imagine a world with no more traffic jams, no more crowded airports, and no more harmful emissions. It would be a game changer for the planet.
But with such a massive shift in how we travel, the world economy would be flipped upside down. Industries that rely on transportation would collapse. Airlines would become obsolete.
Car manufacturers, taxi services, and public transport systems would all be rendered unnecessary. Thousands, if not millions, of jobs tied to the transportation industry would disappear overnight.
But on the flip side, new industries would emerge. Teleportation hubs could become the new airports, with companies charging for teleportation services.
Instead of owning a car or booking a flight, you might have a monthly teleportation subscription. And with teleportation making global travel instantaneous, businesses could expand their operations worldwide, opening up job opportunities in ways we've never seen before.
One of the most profound changes teleportation would bring is the death of distance. In our current world, distance creates barriers, both physical and emotional.
Long-distance relationships are hard because you can't just hop over to see your loved one anytime you want. Family members who live across the world are lucky to see each other once a year.
But with teleportation, none of that would matter. You could visit anyone, anywhere, at any time.
Your best friend in London? You could pop in for tea after work, even if you live in Sydney.
Family gatherings wouldn't require months of planning and expensive flights. Everyone could be together in an instant, no matter where they are.
This would fundamentally change the way we think about relationships, friendships, and even where we choose to live.
Cities might no longer hold the same importance.
Why live in a bustling, crowded metropolis when you can teleport to it whenever you want?
Rural living could see a resurgence as people realize they no longer need to live close to their jobs or loved ones. With teleportation replacing all travel, society would need to adapt in some interesting ways. Personal privacy might become a major concern with the ability to teleport anywhere instantly.
What's to stop someone from teleporting into your house or workplace uninvited? Laws and regulations would need to evolve to address the new challenges teleportation brings.
Ensuring security and privacy would be paramount. Governments would need to create new frameworks to manage these risks.
Legal systems would have to adapt quickly. Drafting new regulations would be essential to keep up with the pace of technological advancement.
And then there's the question of how teleportation would affect social hierarchies. If it becomes a luxury service, teleportation could deepen the divide between the rich and the poor.
The wealthy could have instant access to the best jobs, the best homes, and the best healthcare, while those without teleportation privileges are left behind.
On the other hand, if teleportation were made universally accessible, it could be a great equalizer. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their economic status, can work in any city, attend any school, or access any resource instantly.
The potential for upward mobility could skyrocket.
As with any new technology, teleportation would come with its own set of health and safety concerns. The process of breaking down a human body into particles, transporting it, and then reassembling it perfectly sounds like it could go wrong in some pretty horrifying ways.
What if you don't get reassembled quite right? What if part of you gets left behind? Or what if something foreign, like bacteria or viruses, sneaks in during the teleportation process?
There's also the question of how teleportation would affect the human body over time. Would constant teleportation cause wear and tear on our cells?
Could it lead to unforeseen health problems down the road? These are questions that would need to be carefully studied and addressed before teleportation becomes a common form of travel.
Teleportation would also bring up major issues when it comes to crime prevention. If anyone can teleport anywhere at any time, how do you stop criminals from teleporting into secure locations?
Bank vaults, military installations, government buildings, nothing would be off limits. Law enforcement would need to develop new technologies and strategies to prevent unauthorized teleportation and protect sensitive areas.
And what about crimes committed during teleportation? If a person teleports out of a crime scene, tracking them down could be nearly impossible.
Would we need teleportation logs to keep track of everyone's movements? Would teleportation come with strict security measures, such as background checks and identity verification, to prevent misuse?
These are just a few of the new challenges society would face in a world where teleportation replaces all travel. But with the right safeguards in place, it could still be the most revolutionary change in human history. It's not just people who would benefit from teleportation. Goods and services could be teleported instantly, transforming the way we handle logistics, supply chains, and global trade.
Imagine ordering a product online and having it delivered to your living room in a second. No more waiting for days or even hours for deliveries. Teleportation would make the world's economy lightning fast.
This would be especially beneficial in the case of emergency services. Medical supplies, food, and aid could be teleported instantly to disaster zones, potentially saving thousands of lives.
Firefighters could teleport directly to a burning building. Doctors could appear in front of patients in seconds. Entire rescue operations could happen at the speed of thought.
Teleportation could also revolutionize the way we experience services. Want to eat at a 5-star restaurant in Paris? You could teleport there for dinner, then back home for dessert.
Businesses would have to adapt to this new reality, offering experiences and services to a global clientele in real time.
Teleportation replacing all travel wouldn't just change how we get from place to place. It would change the entire structure of our global society.
With teleportation, the world would become more connected than ever before. National borders might lose their significance,
as people could live, work, and socialize in multiple countries without ever having to choose a permanent home. Globalization, which has been steadily increasing for decades, would accelerate at hyperspeed. Cultures would blend, economies would merge. This has been What If Explanation. Thanks for watching.